HubSpot Sales CRM demo. Hello everyone and welcome back. In today's video, I'll be showing you guys step by step on how you can get started with using HubSpot's Sales CRM. Now we all have heard of HubSpot, and HubSpot is a tool that allows you to do it all in one platform. It allows you to get started with marketing, sales, operations, commerce, smart CRM, small business bundles, and so much more. This allows you to make sure that everything is easy to manage and you can easily get started with all of your needs for your small business. And there are multiple different plans. So when you are scaling your business up, you can opt for a plan that fits with your business needs. So HubSpot specifically has a marketing hub, sales hub, and a CRM hub, and we're just going to proceed with the CRM hub. Now, this is what your CRM hub is going to look like. And if we compare this to our sales hub, you guys can see that your primary sales hub looks slightly different. I wouldn't say there are too many, major differences, but depending on the focus of your business, you might want to be using the sales hub or the CRM hub. We're going to proceed with the sales hub, and you do have CRM features included. You can click on Get Started for free over here to get started, and you can create your HubSpot account. Now, for you to be able to create your HubSpot account, you will need an email address. You can use Google, Microsoft, or Apple. I'm just going to be proceeding on with Google over here to get started with building our HubSpot account. And we're just going to click on Continue. And once we do that, we're going to select our industry. Then we're going to describe our role. We're going to enter a company name, and then we're going to add how many people are in our company. Then you're going to integrate your company website. So I'm just going to do that for now, and then click on Create Account. And once we do that, we can proceed with setting up the rest of our business on HubSpot. Now, within HubSpot's CRM interface, we first would like to focus on growing and managing our sales pipeline. Then after that, we are going to answer this. So are you using any of these? We're just using Gmail. After that, we're going to enter one or two contacts to see your CRM in action. I do like to do this because this just makes it easier for us. 2 sample contacts are added, and you can add some of your own. I'm going to add Joe Simpson, and it's jojo@gmail.com, and the title is going to be Executive Director, and then the lead status is going to be in progress. And then I'm just going to click on Next. Once we do that, we can add our teammates to get started with HubSpot together. I'm going to be doing this later, so I'm just going to be skipping on this step particularly. Now, once we've done that, we can move forward into our next step. And once we've done that, we're just going to click on Get Started, and we have deal stages. We have our basic setup. So within our basic setups, you do have some of the basics. Import your contact, invite team members, and then you can close more deals faster with tracking your deals in one place, connecting deals quickly, closing deals, and more. So within our sales guide, we have all the information that we would need. We're going to continue with our basics, and we're going to click on Add Contacts. Now, if you already have contacts within a pre-existing CRM or sales tool, you can easily import them over here for a quick and seamless transition. So to be able to import all of your contacts over here, or if you are looking to just add your contacts here, then you're going to simply sync them from Google or other applications, or copy and paste them. If you don't have a data sync, or if you don't have, a pre-existing list of contacts, you can add them manually as well. So to do the manual addition of your contact, you're going to go into your top, and then you're going to in this top profile icon, and then you're just going to click on Contacts, and you will see all of your contacts. You can click on Actions to edit them, and you can just click on Create Contact to proceed with creation of new contacts within your HubSpot Sales CRM. Now, once we've done that, we can move on to our next step. Now, for our next step, we are going to be removing this sample contact. So just select it and then click on Delete. Number of records, I'm just going to type in 1 and then just click on Delete. Now, you can see some columns with information. If you have some other bits of information that you would like to include within your HubSpot Sales CRM, then you can proceed with clicking on your top right. And whenever you're adding contacts, you have the gearbox icon, which allows you to enter more fields and more specifics about the contact. Now, within your sales section, you can see you also have companies that you can add and associate individual contacts with. Below that, you also have deals and tickets. Now, to make this a bit more efficient, it's recommended that you should be setting up your own pipelines. So data management and commerce and all of your other sales functions are going to be segregated and built in for you, but it is recommended to build your own pipeline. So this is, my deals section. Now, what I'm going to actually be doing is I'm going to go into my dashboard. Once I go into my dashboard, I can scroll down and then we can track our deals in one place, click on set up deals pipeline. And once we do that, with the help of our onboarding wizard, we can actually proceed with building our pipeline. So this is going to be our client acquisition pipeline, introductory meeting, campaign assessment, strategy proposal, strategy presentation, objection handling, finalizing terms. Next up are our closing stages, closed won, closed loss. And then after that, I can proceed with adding a sample deal. So let's say this is going to be consulting logi customer service. And the amount that this is worth is, let's say, $22,000. And then we're going to click on next. We're going to choose the stage it is in. And just like that, a new deal pipeline has been created. And so on and so forth, you can start building your pipelines. Now, once you've started building your pipelines, you can also start using some of the more advanced features. So when you go into deals now, you will see it's going to have this drop down and you can select deals, invoices, customers, whatever you want. And then from here, you can edit pipelines and view all of your customer acquisition pipelines or any other pipeline that you have created that is related to CRM within your sales feature. Now, a lot of people might ask the question, why should I be using the CRM tool in the sales tool? The reason for that is sometimes you don't need a standalone software for everything. And whenever you are building a sales hub, usually CRM functions are going to follow along. And having to do all of that manually is quite a hassle. So it's way easier to do this all together over here. Now, I hope you guys found this video helpful and you are now able to get started with the HubSpot Sales CRM Hub. This not only allows you to create contacts, companies, and deals, but also manage tickets, lists, inboxes, calls, tasks, templates, and snippets. But you can upgrade to access playbooks, which is included in the HubSpot Sales Hub Professional. If you enjoyed this video, I would recommend that you please leave a like. And if you have any questions regarding this video, regarding any other video, or regarding any social platform, then you can definitely ask me in the comments down below, and I will try to answer as soon as possible because that is the point of our YouTube channel. I want to show you guys on how to glide through these platforms and how to easily navigate and fulfill the purposes that you want to do. So make sure to tell me if you find anything missing. So that was it for today. Make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the YouTube channel, and I will catch you guys in the next video.